Once you have lived in the US for many years, as I have, silence is the first thing that hits when you return from India. The orchestra of sounds created by dogs, birds, and human vocal cords, along with a variety of man made machines and amplifiers, suddenly vanishes, making you wonder if you are losing your sense of hearing. No wonder it is sometimes called deafening silence. Who can forget the shrill, high pitched sounds of the chagaram at the train stations? Just as the train begins to slowly pull into the station, numerous young boys start the chorus, trying to outdo one another to seek attention of potential customers. The bolder ones hop onto the steps of the moving train. Various tones and pitches fill the air spaces inside the train. The tea salads are soon followed by salads of moongfali. Still warm in their shells, now moongfalis are gradually being replaced by pre-packed nuts, spicy snacks and biscuits. Santre ke le lo is hawked by another set of salads. Fruits are stacked on round jute trays, deftly balanced with one hand as the other hand exchanges the goods for money. The season dictates the type of fruits. All of them manages to squeeze through the narrow spaces, rubbing shoulders with the constantly moving passengers and fellow vendors. Somehow, they deliver the merchandise, collect money, and almost jumps off the moving train. Among the constant background sound, one of the things that you will miss most is the periodic yelps of numerous hawkers selling products in the tea. Times change, but the memories of those days, somewhat faded, still linger.